Hello learners, welcome back to the class. Yesterday I discussed set with you, set with you, okay, and at the end of the video I discussed about the presentation of a set. What we discussed? Presentation. Presentation was in two way. One is roster form and the second was set builder form. Okay, so in today video we will discuss about roster form. Okay, it is the topic for today. Okay, let's start. So it's a way of representing a set where we write our elements in a bracket of this form. This is called curly bracket. Okay, as an example, if I'm writing that a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., whatever it is. Okay, one thing is there, all the element should be separate by comma. Okay, so let's learn some rules. First rule about this. First rule about this, that do not repeat elements. Why? Because counting will be done once only. So there is no need to write any element twice. Okay, now see, if I'm writing any set like this 1, 2, 3 and another like this 1, 2, 2 and 3, that's mean this is the right one, that is the wrong one. Okay, now from here one thing can be concluded, that order does not matter. Okay, here in the roster form order does not matter. So remember this thing. Here you can see that if I'm writing as 1, 2, 3 or 1, 3, 2, both are equal. Okay, both are equal. You can also write another set of prime numbers. If I am saying this, write a set of prime numbers, less than 10. Okay, write by yourself. You can write name of months with 30 days, that you can write yourself. Okay, so try it by yourself. See, what are the advantages of roster form? Okay, see, there are few advantages also. One is that It is very easy. 4 small sets means it is really tough to use for the big sets. Okay, here easy to count elements. Okay, now if we are having its advantage, then there must be some disadvantages of raster. That means we can say, in other words, limitation of raster form. Okay. Of raster form. What are the limitations? See, let's suppose a set here is equal to natural numbers. Natural numbers. So how will you write it? How will, as you will start 1, 2, 3, 4, how long will you go? It will be too big to write, okay, too lengthy to write here. So accordingly this we can also think set of real numbers, set of real numbers. How will you write it? Okay, these are the limitations that indicating that we need another method. We need another method. That's mean here we can introduce another method, and that is, here there is a requirement of another method, and the method is, second method is that we discussed yesterday also. Second method, that is set builder. Set builder form. Okay. In other words, we also called it tabular form. Okay, tabular form is general form. One thing is there that a common property is that every element satisfy in this format of set. Okay. See, listing every element, we describe listing, while we listing elements in this format, we need to describe a property, for each element. Okay, so let's have some example to describe set builder form. As example, here if I can say that if I like to state that even natural number, even natural number, how will you write? I can write it here, E is equal to a set x. What is x here? X is an even natural number. Simple. We can finish it here. Okay, we can finish it here. It is stated. Another example, if you want, I want to write prime number less than 20. Prime number less than, how will you write? Okay, how will you write? As p is equal to x such that, what is x here? X is prime. X is prime here, and x is less than 20. So it's done. There is no need to write all the elements. There is no need to write all the prime numbers that are the less than 20. You can just state in one line that x such that x is a prime and x is less than of 20. So it's about the representation of a set, and both method, one is roster method and second is set builder form, are discussed here, and I hope that you understand very well. If you are having any issue, any query, you can write your comment after watching the video. Till then, revise all the things that I discussed with you in this video and in the previous one. Till then, take care and bye bye.